In this video, I am going to be showing you simple trading strategies using the RSI indicator, which happens to be a well-known tool to any trader. Welcome to Takeiteasy Trading, your channel to get stock market updates, trading levels for popular ETFs, stocks and Bitcoin. You will also find tutorials on how to trade, develop your own trading strategies and learn continuously. Please like, share, comment, and if you find value in my videos, please subscribe to get notified of new content. What is RSI? The Relative Strength Index or RSI is a momentum indicator that measures recent price changes as it moves between 0 and 100. The RSI indicator is one of the most popular indicators used by traders in any market such as stocks, Forex, futures, options and crypto markets. How to use RSI indicator. The RSI provides short-term buy and sell signals and is used to track the overbought and oversold levels of an asset. Low RSI levels, below 30, generate buy signals and indicate an oversold or undervalued condition. High RSI levels, above 70, generate sell signals and suggest that a security is overbought or overvalued. A reading of 50 denotes a neutral level or balance between bullish and bearish positions. 3 simple trading strategies using the RSI indicator. Overbought and oversold RSI strategy. When the RSI moves above the horizontal 30 reference level, it is a bullish sign. When RSI slides below the horizontal 70 reference level, it is a bearish sign. Since some assets are more volatile and move quicker than others, the values of 80 and 20 are also frequently used levels for overbought and oversold prices. Trend trading strategy using RSI. During an uptrend, the RSI tends to stay above 30 and should frequently hit 70. During a downtrend, it is rare to see the RSI exceed 70, and the indicator frequently hits 30 or drops under this threshold. These guidelines can help determine trend strength and spot potential trades such as buy the dip or sell the rally. The RSI tends to remain more static during uptrends than it does during downtrends. This makes sense because the RSI measures gains versus losses. In an uptrend, there are more gains, keeping the RSI at higher levels. In a downtrend, on the other hand, the RSI tends to stay at lower levels. Trend reversal strategy using RSI. If the RSI isn't able to reach 70 on a number of consecutive price swings during an uptrend, but then drops below 30, the trend has weakened and could be reversing lower. In the downtrend, if the RSI isn't able to reach 30 or below and then rallies above 70, that downtrend is said to weaken. As such, it could end up reversing to the upside. Divergence in price and RSI. The divergence between the way stocks price moves and the RSI values may point to the possibility of a reversal in trends. When the stock's price reaches a higher high and the RSI reaches a lower high, the trader can recognize a bearish divergence. The price could reverse and start going down in the future. When the stock's price reaches a lower low and the RSI reaches a higher low, the trader can recognize a bullish divergence. The price could reverse and start going up in the future. Summary of RSI. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator that looks at the pace of recent price changes to determine whether a stock is ripe for a rally or a sell-off. Traders can use the RSI with other technical indicators to identify opportunities to enter or exit a position. When the RSI surpasses the horizontal 30 reference level, it is a bullish sign, and when it slides below the horizontal 70 reference level, it is a bearish sign. Divergence occurs when prices move in the opposite direction from an indicator like an oscillator. Divergence could indicate a reversal and can occur during uptrends and downtrends. So that brings us to the end of this video. In the end, I would highly suggest you to test out this strategy on your own and paper trade it for at least 3 to 6 months before investing your hard-earned money into it. If you like this video, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. See you soon.